So if you've ever wanted to travel anywhere in the world, this thing is the vehicle for you. So this is basically a land yacht, and we're gonna get a tour of it from the CEO of this company, and I'm super excited to show you all. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy videos like this, and let's check it out. All right, who am I here with today?
Paul Bostic, founder and CEO of 27North.
This thing is absolutely incredible, and I would love to get a tour of it.
Yeah, let me show you around.
Okay.
So it's super cool in here. We essentially built a yacht on a Ford F550 chassis. I wanted, the best of the best products. I reached out to our suppliers. I'm like, hey, what's the best product you have that's not even available yet? And pretty much everything you see here is very exclusive and limited.
The inspiration was a yacht?
Yes, sir.
Did you grow up with yachts or?
No, so I grew up in poverty, and so I was always inspired to have something really nice. And that's kind of what pushed me to build a product that no one's ever seen or had before.
Wow. So what is your favorite feature?
So my favorite feature is the king size bed. So
okay.
Typical RVs, expedition trucks, you're very limited to space, but as you can see here, we got a full king size bed. And then the second most favorite feature is being able to go anywhere in the world. So we have 150 gallons of fresh water, 2,000 amp hour lithium battery pack, 1,600 watts of solar, a secondary generator charger on the engine. So you're not limited or restricted to an RV campsite. You can go off the grid. So
does this little galley area turn into a second bed as well?
So you have this remote, you press the button and it goes down and forms into a queen size bed.
That's incredible.
Yeah, you got all quartz countertops, you got all yacht grade appliances, yacht grade water filtration system. All the finishes you see is real wood. So this is a real walnut. We buy kennel dried walnut slabs and we mill all the cabinet doors, all the trim that you see here.
Wow, and it looks like the cooking setup is...
Yeah, so it's a all-in-one. So you can go from baking a turkey to making a cake, air frying some french fries, and then finishing it off with some popcorn.
That is so incredible.
Yeah. And then the neat thing is this all fixed, so you'll see on our YouTube channel or on our website, this stays here. So you can go off-roading. We did a Jeeps only trail in Utah, and I mean, not a single plate broke, and these are all ceramic.
So, I mean, this looks like you can definitely live in it, but how long do you think someone can be in this thing and be self-sustained?
So, it just depends on the water consumption. So if you're at a place that has a water source, you're not limited. So you just refill the water and you can stay, a year if you wanted to off the grid.
And what does something like this cost fully built out?
So they started about $750 for a base model, but by the time most people finish customizing, it comes out about $1 to $1.2 million.
I mean, for total freedom, it's not a bad price.
Yeah, and we warranty and guarantee it around the world. So if you're in South Africa and you have a bad tire or defective refrigerator, we'll ship one to you, find a local technician who will swap it out, and you don't have to worry about coming back to the US to get it serviced.
That's incredible. And do you have a shower bathroom area in here?
Yes, so right over here we have a full wet bath. It's got a quartz vanity with a walnut vanity faucet. It's got an LED mirror, and then it's got the bathroom there and that other side as well.
That's incredible. I really like this pass-through here. Yes. So you can enter in from the back.
This is a must, yeah.
Absolutely.
So if you're driving, and I got to come back here to take a nap, I can just crawl through here and you don't have to pull over.
That's incredible, man. Absolutely incredible. I'm gonna have to save my pennies, man, and get one of these things for myself.
Yes, sir.
All right, really appreciate it, man.
Hey,
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Let's take a look at the. Oh, this is a big step up. Wow. This thing is absolutely incredible. So if you're looking for the ultimate overlanding off-road go anywhere vehicle, I mean, there's nothing better than this. This is absolutely stunning and insane. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments about this thing, and we'll see you in the next one.